Hi everyone, I am so glad that you are taking the time to watch this video and learn how to make a hoop ribbon garland. So there are a few things that you're going to need to do this. First, you need some hoops. So I'm using embroidery hoops that are spray painted gold, or you can use them plain, you could use a hula hoop, you could use anything that's round basically. You're going to need some ribbon. I have various shades of satin and gauze grain ribbon that's kind of yellow, tan, golden hued. And those are going to need to be cut. I'd say about 3 feet, but really it depends on how long you want your ribbon to hang. So maybe do a little bit of a test run where you're going to be hanging this for your party or your decoration and see the length that you may need. Sometimes it might be a little shorter, sometimes a little longer to make more of an impact. So cut your ribbon the length that you need by kind of testing it out in that area first. And obviously you'll need some scissors to make those cuts. So now we're going to get into how to put the ribbon onto the hoop. And what I love about this tutorial and this DIY is that you don't need any special tools. You don't need a hot glue gun, you don't need, other than scissors, you don't really need much at all. You don't need anything to affix the ribbon to the hoop other than your fingers. So the best way to do it is to take your first piece of ribbon. You're going to kind of hold it in the middle to where it's hanging at an even mark at the bottom to where the ends meet. And you're going to take the end that is looped, I'm trying to do it so you can see that. So you're going to take this loop and your hoop, a loop and a hoop, you're going to pop it over the top, and then you're going to take the ends of your ribbon and pull them through the loop around the hoop. I know that is kind of confusing because it rhymes. So you're going to hold the hoop, hold the loop, and then pull your ribbon through that loop of ribbon on the hoop. And then to tighten it, you're just kind of going to wiggle the ribbon back and forth until you get a nice tight loop over the hoop. So I always like to kind of start mine in the middle. So find, for instance, this embroidery hoop where the screw is the top, and so I just go straight down from there and put my ribbon right in the middle there. And now you are just going to repeat that process, going back and forth from side to side with your different colors of ribbon or the same color ribbon or whatever you've chosen to use. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, I am back now. I've added some more ribbon to my hoop using the method I just showed you where you pull the ends through the loop over the hoop. But what I wanted to show you was that as you do this, what I like is that the ribbon actually kind of covers the hoop, so you're getting kind of a full coverage effect by just looping it over the hoop. And I'm going to show you a couple more times how to put that ribbon on there so that you really get a good idea of how to do it. So again, take your ribbon, fold it in half to where the ends meet, take the loop side, hold the hoop with the loop over the top, and then you're going to pull the ends of your ribbon. Let me match mine up a little bit better. Pull the ends of the ribbon through that loop until it's tight. It's a little hard to do holding onto it. And then you're just going to wiggle that ribbon until it's tight around your hoop. So then you just keep adding back and forth each side. I'm going to do a couple more to show you. So you grab the middle, have the ends meet, hold the loop over the hoop, and pull the ends through. So there's my loop. See if you can see that. There's my loop, and I'm pulling the ends through and wiggling to tighten it around the hoop. So there we go. We've got a good amount of ribbon on there. It looks really pretty, and this would make a really amazing decoration for any sort of party, right? Baby showers, wedding showers, bridal showers, or birthday parties. And I like that you don't use any special tools like hot glue guns or sewing anything. You just need your fingers and again, an embroidery hoop or a hula hoop or anything circular, and some ribbon. And just cut the ribbon and loop it over the hoop until you get the amount that you want, and make it the length that you need for the space that you're decorating. And I like this method too, the pulling the ends through the loop. You can do that just over twine or string and make a garland with just ribbons. You could tie that garland on a backdrop, a photo backdrop, or the back of a chair to decorate at someone's birthday party. There's lots of different ways you can use this method. Over twine or string, over a hoop, over a bar to make a backdrop with really long string, a ribbon, or streamers. So there's lots of ways that you can use this method to decorate your parties or your home or whatever you may need it for. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments and I'll be sure to get them answered for you. Thanks everybody. Bye.